Hey everyone, it's Vince here, welcome back to another video. Guys, today I am covering Bitcoin Blast, an app that the developers promised to pay you guys real-life cryptocurrency to play their app. Now in today's video, we're going to discover, is this app real and will you get paid Bitcoin cryptocurrency? So to start off here guys, Bitcoin Blast has over 1 million downloads on the Play Store. And usually with apps like these, especially if they're scams, you'll find that the rating is quite damaged. But in the case of Bitcoin Blast, the rating is actually 4.8 stars with over 1 million downloads, which is a very good ratio of the ratings there. So that really made me try this app out again, because I did play this app once before, I think about 4 months ago on my channel. I thought it was a scam, and that was just because I had this predefined setting in my head where all these apps are scams after playing so many of them. But guys, 4 months later, I've decided to give the app another try to try and figure out once and for all, will I actually get paid cryptocurrency for playing an app? And on this channel, if I ever make mistakes with apps that I think are scams, but they're really not, I will cover them again, and I'll clear up any mistake I've made, because it can happen, everyone. Some of these apps just look really poorly made, and you wouldn't expect them to pay. Bitcoin Blast, on the other hand, does look very bare bones and basic, but I do like the art design, so I'll give them that. Now, all you essentially do once you start up Bitcoin Blast is match the cryptocurrency colors together. That is it, everyone. Eventually, the game will start throwing out these little challenges like, oh, you must match 20 of the blue cryptocurrency, or you must make the diamonds fall to the bottom of the screen, or perhaps you must only hit cryptocurrency that's in certain blocks. At the end of the day, everyone, what it comes down to is the fact that the developers want you to watch as many advertisements as possible. That's just how it works. And usually, I'm against that. Usually, I'll say that's a sign of a scam app. But the problem is here, guys, this app works on a different kind of currency to what the normal scam apps that you see on my channel would be. In the fact of that it's actually saying that we're going to win cryptocurrency here in exchange for the in-game coins. And that is it. There is no fake PayPal money. There is no dumb Amazon gift cards or fake iPhone 12 giveaways. It's just straight to the point saying we'll exchange these in-game coins for cryptocurrency. You can't expect to get too many coins at the start either. It seems like they start ramping up the coin reward system there once you get deeper into the game, because that's where the actual app starts delivering the harder levels to you. That's something you have to keep in mind here, everyone, okay? And now I know what you're all thinking, okay? How easy is it to actually cash out this cryptocurrency? Well, what I found out is that once I hit the minimum cash out reward, I had to actually sign up to a website called Coinbase, which is apparently a massive market for cryptocurrency trading and or investing, okay? When I was presented with this, I thought there is no way this app's real. It's making me sign up to a third-party site here. Well, I signed up anyway for video sakes, guys, and since I've been sick for 4 days, I'm only just recovering now from my cold, I thought, you know what, I have the time, let me just see if this app is real or not. I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. So I created my Coinbase account like the app has required me to do. What I also recommend doing is actually going to Coinbase website itself and then setting up your account, because I don't know how accurate the in-game account creation is for Coinbase. I'd much prefer going to the website itself and then creating the account. And I feel like you guys should do that too. Either way, so now we have our Coinbase account. We've asked the app to cash out. It says, be patient, the cryptocurrency will be sent soon. So what do? I try and go back to play some more levels in the meantime, but what I didn't realize is that the app actually limits how much you can play per day. And I guess that's to stop people from just farming their app over and over and over again. Because you're only allowed to really play 15 times a day, I think. And that's only to attempt levels as well, guys. If you fail the same level 15 times, that's all you can play for that one day. So you have to keep that in mind. But it does seem like you can get your 15 plays back daily, so that's good at least. So what I did is I ended up going back the next day and continued playing the app. I didn't stop grinding up those cryptocurrency coins just in case the app was real, because I was very curious to see what I was going to get paid for the minimum amount that the app was willing to give me. Hey everyone, just quickly editing this video together, and I thought I better sit down and tell you my little theory here about Bitcoin Blast. Now, I feel they rig the levels to make them harder than they're meant to be, and then after you fail them a couple of times, then they let you pass them, okay? That's just my little theory, because I found I kept on failing the same mission about 3 or 4 times, and then magically the right amount of colors needed to merge together would appear on the screen. And now, if anyone has played Bitcoin Blast, please let me know about this theory and what you think about it. I personally think that it is rigged to the extent of making sure players can't just progress throughout the game so easily, because the app itself is very easy. So they have to rig it somehow, right? I feel like this is how the developers make sure they slow down players' progression. And that obviously means more advertisements, because every time you fail, you have to watch an ad. So essentially, every day you're watching 15 ads for the developers, so keep that in mind. Which I'm not saying that's terrible, because as you'll see in a second, it all does pay off. But I'm just saying, I reckon this is how the developers make sure they get revenue, and they're able to pay their player base. Just a little thought here, guys. Let's continue back with the video. What I found, everyone, was my phone going off because I received an email from Coinbase saying that I was paid a very, very small amount of cryptocurrency, which I think was like 0.0000014 or something like that. Ridiculous amount, only 1 cent of real life money. So everyone, literally, I got paid cryptocurrency to play an app in exchange for watching advertisements on that app, because that's what it comes down to. They have the app there as something that you can do in the meantime while you're watching advertisements for them. And I'm not saying that this is wrong, I'm just explaining the truth. This app actually paid me cryptocurrency, which I'm amazed with, okay? But it comes down to the fact of, you guys need to understand, you're not going to become millionaires or rich off this app. This app will only pay you for as much currency you grind up within it. So you're going to remember that, everyone. And for the minimum amount of cash out, I only got 1 cent. But it doesn't stop there, because they actually place a limit on how often you can cash out. After I cashed out for the first time, it actually stopped me from cashing out for a whole week, guys. So I'm still on that week cooldown right now. So I've grinded up a whole bunch of these cryptocurrency coins, but now I can't actually cash them out until another 3 or 4 days. So there you have it, everyone. That's pretty much the end of the app. It's real. It paid me the cryptocurrency to my Coinbase account, and I really can't fault it with anything, guys. It actually paid me. That's all I look for with these videos. I come to you guys showing you either if an app's a scam or is it real. And I went through all the steps like the app asked me, and I actually got paid, which is fantastic. It's a good feeling to actually get paid. So everyone, Bitcoin Blast gets my approval, or at least they will have my approval until they either don't pay me the cryptocurrency, which I have saved up right now. But either way, please comment what your thoughts are on Bitcoin Blast if you think it's just a basic app, because I love to hear it and I reply to all my comments, guys, so keep that in mind. Now, when it comes to Coinbase, guys, I just want to quickly jump in here and say I don't really understand how it works that well. Like, I understand I have 1 cent in my account, right? That's cool. And it says I have 0 there. Yeah, so I got paid at 6:30 p.m. on the 2nd of the 2nd of this year. So, I have the 1 cent. But now what? Like, what do you do with this? I mean, you can go send and receive, I guess. You have to enter in an email address, an optional message, pay with Bitcoin, because that's all I have. See, look at this, everyone. 0.0000014 BTC. Put it into perspective as well, that's how much the current Bitcoin price is right now. $48,000 in Australian currency. I'd need that much money to get that amount of Bitcoin. And at the moment, all I have in Bitcoin currency, if you look at the bottom there, is literally 0.00014. Either way, everyone, I can't wait to see how much money they're going to give me when I cash out next time. Hopefully they pay me another time. If they don't, I will let you all know. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to wrap up the video here. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Check out my second channel for other scam app reviews. Catch you around. Just remember, guys, I am still phasing out the scam videos on Vinsane and moving them to my second channel, okay? So keep that in mind. That's why you're not going to see too many scam video uploads on this channel unless it's seriously critical. Thanks for watching as always, and thanks for getting me to 12,000 subs. Appreciate it, everyone. See you soon.